I put cloves in the detergent. Even your neighbors will smell the perfume of your home. A fragrant house without flies and mosquitoes. You need to do this in your house today. Everyone asks me for this recipe, so today I'm going to teach you how to do it. To start, we put some cloves in a pan. Clove is like a top ally against mosquitoes, and it also leaves a sensational smell. Let's also add half a liter of water and let it boil for about 5 minutes. After that time, we take it off the heat and let it cool a little. Next, we're going to strain our mixture. Now we just transfer our mixture to a spray bottle. Along with this, we add a cup of disinfectant, a cup of white alcohol vinegar, and finally, 2 tablespoons of liquid detergent. We close it and mix well to incorporate the ingredients. With this, my house no longer has bugs, and much less that smell of dog and cat pee that usually stays on the carpet. This thing leaves my house fragrant 24 hours a day, and it's great for repelling flies and mosquitoes. Roaches, too. You can spray this in your bedroom, living room, or wherever you want because it's great for removing the bad smell and humidity that usually appears when the house is closed for a long time. This is super cheap and easy to do. Don't be surprised when your neighbors keep ringing your doorbell to ask why your house smells so good. There's the secret kept under lock and key by a retired housekeeper who taught me. I'll repeat, your house extremely fragrant for 24 hours. The result is simply amazing. I hope this homemade air purifier and repellent has been useful to you. If you like this tip, tell us I love homemade tips, and rate this trick from 0 to 10. Thanks for watching this far. See you in the next video, and may God bless you all.